Today we will be unboxing multifunctional laptop table. It is an aluminum alloy folding desk which you can use to sit on a couch, bed or work while sitting on the floor. Let's start unboxing. This is the box, and on the box there are pictures on how you can use the table and instructions on the side. Let's remove the table from the box. The table is in a plastic bag. Inside the bag there is an instruction manual. The instruction manual shows how to connect the mouse table, which is a small panel or pad, and adjust multiple heights, configure and adjust it. There are already two fans installed. There is a USB connector which connects the table with its fans. There is a mention of the part list including mouse, trays and screws. This is a mouse pad. It connects from here, and this is the back side. The surface is smooth and glossy. The only downside is that it is small for photos, graphic editing work. There is a cable which powers the fans on the table. The fans cool down your laptop. It is powered by plugging on one side with a cord and the other side into any USB port. Most probably you'll be connecting with your laptop. This is the table. As you can see, the two fans are built in. It has three legs on both sides, and these are the edges for the rotation on both sides. On the underside you can see the fans. There is a power button to turn on the fans. On the other side there is a port for the pin. Let's see how we can use it. Once you press the button on the side, the latches will unlock, letting you adjust the legs. This is one position of the table. The good thing about the blue buttons is that they auto lock once you stop pressing them. This is another way you can set up the table. Now let's talk about the mouse holder. First you need to add the screw on from one side, then attach the mouse pad on the other and screw them together. This is how it looks when you put a laptop on it.